Taking a little bit of a break, trying to get the stump jumper on now. It's a sucky job. Here's one of my old tools I like. It's called a grease server, made by Gilbert and Barker Manufacturing in Springfield, Massachusetts. If I had to guess, I'd say this thing is 1920s vintage. I was on another farm and found it laying in a collapsed storage building. And 100 years old, and it works right down to the meter. So inject a half a pint at a time on 2 full rotations of the pump handle. Old wood handle still there. Cast iron, built to last forever, and it is. I use this to put in my gear oil on bush hog gearboxes and such. But it still has some of the original paint on it. Don't want to get too aggressive on cleaning it up because it'll take all the paint off. But grease server. I ain't got my glasses, can't hardly read the model number. It looks like a T-755. And works better than the new crap. Anyway, it's 100 years old. I'm pretty sure it's going to last. So anyway, this little interesting tidbit. Back to the stump jumper. Thank you.